Om Sri Paramatmane Namah. Today we will be talking on the concept of Bhagavad Gita. How to elevate the soul. Which are the practices that will elevate our soul? The practices which we need to do has been indicated in the 5th sloka of 6th chapter. Uddharet atmana atmanang na atmanang avasadayet. Atmaiva hi atmano bandhu atmaiva ripu atmana. That means one should elevate one's soul by own effort only. If we will not try ourselves, we cannot elevate our soul. And how can it be? If we come good companionship, our soul will be elevated. If you come across the bad companionship, it will be degraded. So, for this soul elevation practice, 3 of tapas has been described on the 7th chapter, 14th, 15th and 16th sloka. Like Deva Dvija Guru Pragya Pujanang Socha Arjavam Brahmacharya Hinsa Cha Sarirang Tapauchyate Anudvega Karang Dakyang Satyang Priya Hitanchajat Swadhyaya Abhyasanang Chaiva Bangmaya Tapauchyate Mana Prasada Somyatyang Maunu Atma Vinigraha Bhava Sansudhirite Tat Tapo Manasa Uchyate. That means the soul elevation practices starts from, there are 3 type of finesse, that is physical finesse, finesse of speech and austerity of mind. Worship of God with a firm devout devotion, respect the God-loving personalities, respect the spiritual guide, parents and elders and great souls, and maintaining the purity of mind, adopting celibacy in life and non-violence, which is the most important thing in physical austerity. Uttering words which cause nobody gets annoyed, such words should be uttered, that is anudvega karang vakya, and harsh words should be denounced, and truthfulness words should be told, and beneficial, the words which are beneficial to others and encouraging, it should be practiced, and reading Vedas, Gita and performing Nama Japa. These are the practices which will elevate the soul. And austerity of mind constitutes of cheerfulness of mind, placidity, habit of contemplation on God, meditation, and control of mind, and perfect purity of inner feelings. That is, the 3 tapas are there. In this context, I have written one's Astagujjari Raga, which follows. Manusya nije nijara अटे शत्रु मित्र निज द्वारा निज उद्धार सुखी संसार सूत्र निज को निजे तो उद्धार पाई देह मिलिछि सुप्त अंत शक्ति जागृति पाई सुजोग अछि खराप मार्ग रे गले तो हुए आत्मपतन श्रद्धा शास्त्रे संत गुरुठी आणे आत्मवर्धन तिनि तप आचरण तो आणे आत्मवर्धन शारीरिक वाचिक तप मानसिक साधन शरीर संबंधी तप रे पूजा देव द्विजंको पूजा जीवन मुक्त पुरुषे पिता माता गुरुंको सरलता शौच शरीर ब्रह्मचर्य पालन स्वार्थ क्रोध लाभ दूरे अहिंसार पालन वाचिक तपस्या अटये सत्य प्रिय वचन हित कर आउ जतार्थ उद्वेगहीन सद्ग्रंथ पढ़िण अभ्यास करी जने कहिबा नाम जप स्तुति प्रार्थना अभ्यास रे रहिबा मानसिक तपटई मनर प्रसन्नता संसार कषण उपेक्षी आणे मने सौम्यता शांत मने मौन रहिबा मन निग्रह चेष्टा पवित्र भाव को हृदये सदा रखिबा निष्ठा। हरि ओम तत्सत।